Natural remedies for erectile dysfunction. Science-backed solutions without medication. Introduction. The truth about natural male enhancement. Are you frustrated with the cycle of relying on expensive medications to address erectile dysfunction, ED? If so, you're not alone. Millions of men worldwide struggle with this issue, often resorting to pharmaceutical solutions that treat symptoms rather than root causes. But what if I told you that potent natural remedies for ED are hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen? In this article, we will explore 3 powerful, scientifically backed natural recipes that can enhance male performance without side effects, effectively working as homemade Viagra. Before we dive into these recipes, it's important to understand why conventional treatments may not always be the best approach. Many prescribed medications for ED only offer temporary relief by increasing blood flow to the penis, but they fail to address underlying factors such as cardiovascular health, hormone imbalances, and nutritional deficiencies. A growing body of research suggests that dietary changes can significantly improve erectile function. So let's get into it. Here are 3 potent natural remedies to help boost your performance. Recipe number 1. Herbal tea for enhanced blood flow. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to naturally enhance erectile function is through herbal tea. Many traditional medicinal herbs have been used for centuries to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support male hormonal balance. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, small piece of ginger, peeled and chopped, 1 tablespoon dried nettle leaves, or fresh, finely chopped, 1/3 of a lemon, chopped, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons dried hibiscus flowers, Schisandra chinensis berries or leaves, if available. Why these ingredients? Work. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger enhances blood circulation and has been linked to increased testosterone production in men. Nettle. Rich in antioxidants and compounds that support prostate health and testosterone levels. Hibiscus. Studies suggest hibiscus tea can lower blood pressure, improving circulation, an essential factor for strong erections. Schisandra chinensis. This powerful adaptogen has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to improve stamina, reduce stress, and enhance sexual function. Preparation. Boil the water and pour it over the ingredients in a teapot. Let it steep for at least 10 minutes before straining and drinking. This tea can be consumed daily, and over time, it may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improve sexual performance. Recipe number 2. Watermelon and ginger smoothie for nitric oxide. Boost nitric oxide, NO, is a key molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, an essential factor in achieving strong erections. One of the most potent natural sources of no-boosting compounds is watermelon, which contains citrulline, a precursor to L-arginine, a vital amino acid for nitric oxide production. Ingredients: 1/4 watermelon, cut into cubes, small piece of ginger, peeled and chopped, 1 lemon, juiced, 120 milliliters of water. Why this works? Watermelon contains high levels of citrulline, which converts into L-arginine, promoting nitric oxide production and improving erectile function. Studies have shown that men who consume watermelon regularly experience improved erectile function. Ginger enhances blood flow and may increase testosterone levels. Lemon, packed with antioxidants and bioflavonoids, which support vascular health and circulation. Preparation: blend all ingredients until smooth and drink half a cup every morning. You should start noticing improvements in about 4 weeks. If you find yellow watermelon, even better. It has 4 times the citrulline content compared to the red variety. Recipe number 3. Nutrient-dense smoothie for testosterone and circulation. This smoothie combines a variety of nutrient-rich ingredients that support blood flow, hormonal balance, and overall sexual health. Ingredients: 1 cup watermelon, preferably yellow for more citrulline, 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds, 1 cup spinach, packed, 1/2 banana, 50 grams walnuts, 2 small pieces of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, 1/2 cup water. Why this works. Pomegranate, rich in antioxidants that improve blood vessel function and circulation. Some studies suggest pomegranate juice may enhance testosterone levels. Spinach provides magnesium, potassium, and folate, essential nutrients for sexual health. Magnesium, in particular, helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Banana contains bromelain, an enzyme believed to enhance endurance and sexual performance. Walnuts, high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for brain function, blood flow, and sperm production. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that improve circulation and L-arginine, which enhances nitric oxide production. Preparation: blend all ingredients until smooth and drink in the morning. This nutrient-packed smoothie helps maintain healthy blood flow and testosterone levels, both crucial for optimal sexual function. Additional considerations. While these natural remedies can help many men, it's important to recognize that erectile dysfunction may have deeper underlying causes that require medical attention. If dietary changes alone do not yield results, consider checking for cardiovascular health issues. High blood pressure and poor circulation are leading causes of ED. Hormonal imbalances. Low testosterone or thyroid dysfunction can contribute to sexual performance issues. Psychological factors. Stress, anxiety, and depression can significantly impact sexual function. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, reducing stress, and getting sufficient sleep can further enhance results. Conclusion: a natural path to better performance. Erectile dysfunction is a complex issue that cannot always be solved with a pill. By incorporating these natural, scientifically backed remedies into your routine, you can improve circulation, boost testosterone levels, and support overall sexual health without relying on expensive medications. Remember, consistency is key. Give these natural solutions time to work, and always prioritize a holistic approach to wellness. If you're looking for immediate techniques to enhance your erectile function, stay tuned for our next video, where I'll share simple but effective strategies that you can apply right away.